Headed down to one of the renovation projects we have going on. We've faced a couple of challenges throughout this process. Nothing that's gonna kill the deal or anything, but basically we needed way more stinking dumpsters than I was anticipating from the start. I had budgeted for around 3 large 30-footers and we needed 6, which is absurd, but that's how many it took. And then some of the other items, we ended up moving the kitchen to a whole different area of the house, and in that portion of the house it was at some point in addition, and the ceilings are not super level straight across. It kind of goes at a slight angle, not like it looks like it is slanted, but it just is slanted. So when we hung the cabinets, it's not flush against the ceiling, which I don't like at all, but there's not a whole lot we can do about it at this point. So we're gonna make it work. It's still gonna look like a great kitchen, but that's kind of like an aesthetic aspect that isn't ideal. And then some of the other things, the flooring in the back addition part that's been there for years basically was super hard to get extremely level just because it was super janky in the way that it was done. So we tried to get it as level as we could, but it's been a challenge for sure. And after the guys laid the floor, it actually buckled once, so we had to kind of redo some things. When we put a closet in, it pushed pressure on the bottom of the floors, so that caused it to buckle. So we've had some challenges, but basically all the bathrooms are done. Kitchen should be done within about the next 5-6 days. And we gotta go to the outside, knock out the outside, and then kind of the finishing touches and everything. So stay tuned, it's coming in hot. We'll be done probably in about next 2 weeks here, so check you later.